as I present to you Her Royal Highness, the Duchess of Cambridge.
Thank you so much, and good morning, everybody. I hope you didn't get too wet coming here, and apologies for bringing this British weather with us. But I wanted to address the children here of Bahamas. And whether you're here in the school today with William and me, or joining virtually from across the Bahamas, thank you so much for such a warm welcome. We are so thrilled to be here in the Bahamas, a country that has made us feel so at home as soon as we set foot on its soil. If you're a child growing up in this country today, it feels to me like you are very blessed indeed. The spectacular natural environment of the Bahamas is one of those blessings. I only wish we were here longer to be able to visit all of your 700 islands during our stay. Our three children, George, Charlotte and Louis, all love being by the sea too. So I hope they will be able to experience your clear waters and beautiful beaches before too long. However, as much as you have these natural wonders to enjoy, I know that the last few years have not been easy for many of you. The pandemic has taken you away from your classrooms and your friends, and learning from home, I'm sure, has been very difficult. That is why it is so wonderful that after 2 years of almost being away from each other, you have recently returned to school and have been reunited with your teachers and friends again. I can certainly feel the excitement and energy here today amongst you. One of the hardest things I think we've all found about the pandemic was being separated from the people we love. But we've also had the chance to rediscover just how important our families are and just how important our friends are too. I always think it's the simplest things in life that bring us the most joy. Playing together, chatting to your friends at school, eating meals together, and listening to each other's stories. These are the things that bring us together and give meaning to our lives. The connections, the relationships, the friendships that you make during school are so special. So please look after them, cherish them, and take time for them. And remember, to be kind and understanding and loving to yourself and others too. Today I also wanted to say a huge thank you to your parents, guardians and teachers. They, I'm sure, have found the pandemic equally hard, but they're doing one of the most important jobs out there, nurturing your young minds and helping to shape your futures. We all owe them a huge debt of gratitude. Our future society depends on it. So a big thank you to them all and for all that they do. You have a wonderful proverb in your country: when the moon is not full, the stars shine more brightly. I see all of you children as the stars of this country, and I hope these difficult experiences have given you the motivation, empathy and compassion to become fully engaged citizens of tomorrow, who will become and make Bahamas the vibrant and life-affirming and soul-enriching place it is today. Thank you once again for having us today and for such a warm welcome.
To the Duchess, we would like you to take center stage. Your Royal Highness, your kind words will remain with us for years to come. We now invite His Royal Highness, Duke of Cambridge, to join Her Royal Highness on the stage for special presentations. Please be seated. The winner of the Platinum Jubilee Student Art Competition, Miss Kaylee Demerit, will present the winning artwork to His Royal Highness. And the 2022 National Primary School Student of the Year, Miss Chelsea Smith, will present 2 books written by the children of the Bahamas to Her Royal Highness.
Your Royal Highness, I present to you a portrait of the Queen on behalf of the students across the length and breadth of the Bahamas in honor of the Platinum Jubilee of Her Majesty the Queen.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Your Royal Highness, please accept these books, Around the Archipelago and Expressions, written by the creative students of the Commonwealth of the Bahamas. We hope that you enjoy reading them and sharing them with your children someday.
Thank you so much. It's very special.